Hi, let's reduce animations on iPhone 16e. So first step, we need to go in phone settings. Then in the list find accessibility, and after that in this vision category pick motion section. Now you should see the switcher for reduce motion. You can do it if you want to prevent your battery from draining quickly or if animations are uncomfortable for you. So to reduce motion, just toggle on the switch by tapping it. And now it reduces the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. Once enabled, you can additionally turn on Prefer Crossfade Transitions, and it will reduce the motion for user interface controls that slide in when appearing and disappearing. For that, just toggle on the switch, like that again. And to disable, just click on the switchers to turn everything off. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.